Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on TECNO Spark Go 1. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. Now you can click open. Then click on this button to skip introduction and click open permissions. Now you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back. And now you have to click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.